Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way of making chole. This version of doing it is from K2N Family only, and to do this let's go and start it. And to start with the simple recipe of this chole, let's take some oil. I'm taking about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, now let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. I'm going to add 1 large onion which is finely chopped. Saute this for a minute. So after a minute of fry of these onions, now I'm going to add 1 tomato which is finely chopped. After a minute, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's fry this until the onions and tomatoes are completely softened and the rawness of the ginger and garlic is completely gone. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chilli powder, 3/4 tablespoon of Garam Masala powder. So I'm going to use a very special ingredient in this. This is Dana Jeera mix, which is the mixture of dry coriander, cumin and turmeric, easily available in the market. And I'm going to use half teaspoon of this. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Now let's add salt as required. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in here. This is dry kasturi methi. I'm going to crush this. Once crushed, just sprinkle on top. So this is like almost 400 grams of chickpeas. Let's add it now. So this is a boiled chickpeas actually. I did not mention that earlier. You get it in a can as well, or you can boil it at home as well if you want to. Let's add 1 cup of yogurt. Let's add a little bit of coriander. And let's cook for another 5 minutes only. So friends, our easy and simple recipe of this chole is ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.